Hey guys, this is Caleb with Northwest Roof Maintenance, and today we're in Vancouver, Washington, working on a couple of vent installs. Basically, what these vents do is they're known as static vents or outtake vents, and these ones that we're installing are called box vents. I've got Matt here installing this one right on the corner. These box vents allow heat to escape your roof, so the heat rises and escapes through the vent. These vents are typically made of plastic and metal. The downside with the plastic ones is that they can crack and erode over time just due to constant weather changes and temperature changes. It'll last you potentially the life of your roof. So these are the vents that we typically like installing.